Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I am going to explain about the nebulizer. A nebulizer is a medical device. It is a small machine that converts the liquid medicine into fine particles like mist or aerosol. So that whenever we use this medicine, these air particles, when we inhale, it enters directly into the lungs. Mainly, this nebulizer is used in people who can't use inhalers effectively, like children, young children, very elderly people. They can't use the nebulizer inhaler properly. So, in that conditions, nebulizer is advised. For nebulizer, mainly it has a compressor or the base unit which houses the motor or pump. This compressor creates the compressed air, so that whenever this compressor is on, it converts the liquid particles into air particles or aerosol. And other important component is the nebulizer cup or medication chamber. In this, liquid medicine is poured, and other is the tubing which connects the compressor and to the medication cup or mouthpiece, and other is the mouthpiece or face mask. A mouthpiece is generally held between the teeth, whereas the mask, it covers the nose and mouth. And other is the component is the baffles or filters. These are the nothing but which is present inside the cup, and this baffle and filter helps to filter the large droplets. And how nebulizer work means, whenever we on the nebulizer, the compressor turns the liquid medicine into fine mist. When this fine mist or aerosol particles, when we inhale, it enters the lung and it acts. There are various uses of nebulizer, like it is used in asthma, COPD, bronchiectasis, cystic fibrosis, wheezing, lung infection. In all these conditions, nebulizer is used for the liquid medicine to enter the lungs. And there are different types of nebulizer, like jet nebulizer, mesh nebulizer, ultrasonic nebulizer, etc. Jet nebulizer uses the compressed air to convert the liquid medicine into fine mist, and jet nebulizer is commonly used. It is less expensive, but the main drawback is looks larger, and when it is on, it produces a lot of noise. Coming to the mesh nebulizer, it uses the vibrating mesh to convert the liquid medicine into aerosols, but it is portable. Less noise is produced compared to jet. Other is the ultrasonic nebulizer. It uses high frequency vibrations to convert the liquid medicine. Less noise is there, but it's so much expensive, costly. In nebulizer, we can use so many medicines like bronchodilators, which dilates the bronchi, like salbutamol, terbutaline, levolbuterol, etc. And some corticosteroids like budesonide can be used. Other solutions like sterile saline, inhaled antibiotics, these all medicines can be placed in the nebulizer. How to use this nebulizer? Whenever we use the nebulizer, first we should wash our hands properly. After washing our hands, we should keep the prescribed medication, water the doctor has prescribed. That medication should be poured into the medicine cup or nebulizer chamber, and later we should connect the tubing, mouthpiece or mouth mask and sit upright. And later keep the mouthpiece, if you are using the mouthpiece, keep the mouthpiece between your lips. If you are using the mask, position the mask correctly over the mouth and nose. Later, turn on the machine and breathe slowly. Whenever the nebulizer machine is on, it converts the liquid medicine into air particles, so that whenever we breathe, this medicine enters into the lungs and it will act. And continue this nebulizer until the medication is finished or the mist drops. Later, after the medication is finished, turn off the machine and clean the components. Advantages of using nebulizer is it is easy to use, and people, young children, elderly people, where the inhaler usage is difficult, it is very helpful for them. But the main disadvantage is compared to the inhaler, nebulizer takes longer time for the completion of medicine, and it requires electricity and proper cleaning is required. Cleaning is very, very important in nebulizer. Proper cleaning is required. We should wash the medicine cup and we should wash the mouthwash and air dry completely. Cleaning is very important to prevent the bacterial contamination, and we should not wash the tubing, and we should replace the filters regularly as recommended. Cost is approximately, the basic version will be around 1500 to 3000 rupees. This is all about the nebulizer. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, please share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.